Assalamu alaikum. I am Uruz Zahra, your English language instructor, and in this video, I am gonna share the strategy and how the short walk can change your mood. The short walk can be good for you. For example, when we work out and when we walk, it has significant impact on our health. For example, uh, a patient who was in the hospital for a long time, the doctor recommends that patient to walk at least for 10 to 15 minutes in a day. Actually, what is the scenario to do the walk? Actually, the thing is that when you do the walk, your mind starts working. You try to release your stress. You try to release your anxiety. You feel fresh when you go out. It is the human psychology. When you get out from your boring environment, when you get out of your stressed environment, so you feel good. For example, the student who studies in the environment and in his study room, he can be bored after the 5 to 6 hours of the study. So in the relaxation, he should go to the bed and do relaxation, but instead of this, he also should go to the outside, for example in the park or in a greenery area where he can enjoy the weather. He can breathe in a good manner, he can meet with a new one, and he can also observe the nature. And it is also the human psychology. He also learns from the behavior of the other. For example, the student who studies hard in his study room, when he goes out, he sees a different person, different people. He tries to and adopt the different and the good things from the other behavior, because whatever we learn, it's about the environment. Because when we learn, so it also linked towards the good habits and the good phenomena. For example, just consider the student who studies around 6 to 7 hours. He uses a computer. He uses his cell phone. He remains in the room for study. He goes to the school and college and the universities and the other things as well. But what is the outer activity? So he needs to go outside, because when he goes outside, he start walking. He think about his daily routine, about his daily physical activity, and about his flaws, what he has done in the previous day and what he's going to do in the next day as well. And even it also helps to remember your all past events, and also strengthen you to recover all your memories as well. Whatever we have done wrong, we need to realize it after a day. So walking can change our mood as well, because I have seen number of the people who were stressed in the home when I suggested him to go outside, and they went out, and when they returned to the home, they feel so good. They felt so good because they loved their parents, their family member more in a good way. Because when the person goes out, there is a chance to meet with a positive and negative person as well. So when he sees the positive thing, so his mind also tries to get that thing in a positive way. And when he sees the negative experience as well, so the impulse or the any wish comes in his mind and his heart to love his family more. That's why the simple way of walking can change your mind. So it is the obligation for you, and it is necessary for you to adopt this walking ability and walking skills in your day. Even you have also noticed that a person who feels distressed and unhealthy in his home, when he goes out, so he felt energetic. So what is the phenomena of this? Because your cells working starts working, and you also become active as well. So I hope this message will work you in your life as well. If you are the student, household, job holder, or the businessman, you need to set the proper schedule for yourself. इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाजत दीजिए। आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नई वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।